Run! Don't stop! Keep moving!
Stay together! Don't let go of Emma! Mom, I can't run anymore. I think the aliens are going to catch us.
Good morning. It's time to start a brand new day.
Good morning, buddy. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Dad. Yeah, I slept really well. Good morning, Peter. Breakfast is almost ready. Come and eat before it gets cold. I'm coming, Mom. Breakfast smells really good. Good morning, Peter. I was having such a nice dream.
Good morning, Emma. Come on, Mom made breakfast.
Emma, do you know where we're going today? I don't know. Did you make any plan or something?
I have a surprise for both of you. Today, we're going to Switzerland.
Really? That's amazing!
Wow. Are we flying there by plane?
Peter, we'd better get ready now. We don't want to be late for our flight.
Okay, Dad. I'll get ready right away.
Wait, what was that? Did something just fly across the sky? This isn't normal. Where did everyone go? Mom! Dad, you have to come here. There's nobody outside. Something's really wrong.
Peter, what happened? Why are you shouting?
Is everything okay? Peter, what's wrong?
Look outside. There's nobody here. The streets are completely empty, and even the cars aren't moving.
This doesn't make any sense. The whole city is silent. Something is definitely wrong.
Honey, don't worry. Maybe we're just overthinking it. Everyone could already be at work, and that's why it looks so quiet.
Mom, I don't think that's it. I've never seen our neighborhood this empty before.
I agree with Peter. Something about this doesn't feel normal.
Why did the TV suddenly turn off? Come on, please turn on.
Peter, I'm scared. Something really strange is happening.
No signal. There's no network at all. What's going on?
Something is happening. We should go outside and see what's going on.
Let's stay together. Whatever is happening, we shouldn't split up.
This place feels completely different. It's like everyone disappeared overnight.
Keep your eyes open, everyone. We don't know what's waiting for us.
Dad, why is it so quiet? I don't like this.
I know, Emma. Stay close to us. We'll figure this out together.
Even this park is empty. Where did everybody go?
I've never seen this park so empty.
It feels like the whole world just stopped.
The supermarket door is already open. Let's check the supermarket. Maybe someone is still inside. I hope we find someone. This silence is making me nervous.
Peter, do you think everyone went to another planet? I saw something like that in a movie once.
Emma, I wish that was just a movie. But this is real.
Hello? Is anyone here?
Nobody answered. This place is completely empty.
We didn't find anyone.
Let's keep looking. There has to be someone out there.
Peter, even the playground is empty.
This silence is getting harder to understand.
What is that? It's slowly appearing. Dad, it's so big. I'm really scared.
Stay close to me. Let's keep moving.
Dad, I think that spaceship is following us. We have to get out of here now.
Run! Don't stop! Keep moving!
Stay together. Don't let go of Emma. Mom, I can't run anymore. I think the aliens are going to catch us.
Emma, stay with us. We have to keep moving.
Emma, be brave. We're together. We can do this.
Come on, Emma. We have to run. Hurry.
Quick! Close the windows!
I'm trying, Dad. Mom, I'm so scared. Are the aliens going to find us?
Emma, don't be afraid. I'm here with you. We'll be okay. I won't let anything happen to you.
Listen, we can't hide forever. If we want to survive, we have to find a way out of this.
We'll stay together.
This old radio still works. Maybe someone is out there. Maybe we can find help.
Let's turn it on, Dad.
Come on, please work.
Keep trying, Peter. Don't give up.
Dad, I got it! It's working! Emergency broadcast. If you can hear this, listen carefully. The Earth is now under alien control. If you want to survive, go to 47 Blackwood Road, London. A hidden bunker is located beneath that address. Leave immediately. This may be your only chance.
Dad, do you think the message is real?
I do. We don't have much time. We have to get to London before it's too late.
What's happening? Dad, the whole house is shaking!
Stay together, don't panic!
Hold on, be careful!
Everyone, hold on to something!
It's getting stronger!
I'm so scared. What if we can't protect them?
We have to stay strong. No matter what happens, we'll protect Peter and Emma.
I'm not giving up. There has to be a way to save my family.
Mom, Dad, I'm scared.
We have to leave this place. We can't stay here anymore.
Mom, Dad, we don't have any time to waste.
You're right. Pack only the essentials. Hurry, we're leaving in a few minutes.
I'll take only the important books. I don't know when we'll be back. Emma, pack only the clothes you really need. We have to travel light.
Okay, Mom, I'll take just a few things.
We can't leave without this. We might need it.
Is everything ready?
Yes, we have the first aid kit and the essentials.
I'm ready, Dad.
I'm coming, Mom. I'm ready.
Everyone's ready. Let's go.
Stay together and don't fall behind.
Everyone, get in the car, quickly! If we're too slow, the aliens might spot us.
Dad, it's still following us.
Don't worry, Peter. I'll get us to a safe place.
Mom, will the people of Earth ever come back? Will we survive?
I don't know yet, Emma, but we'll stay together and keep doing our best. Dad, where do you think we should go now?
I found the location of a bunker. The address was announced on the radio. That's where we're heading now. This must be the bunker from the radio. Stay close, everyone. The door is open. Everyone, let's go inside.
I'm right behind you, Dad. Dad, do you think there are other people in this bunker?
I hope so, Peter. If the radio message was real, we won't be alone. Welcome to the bunker. You made it just in time. Please follow me. What happened to everyone on Earth? The aliens have surrounded Earth with a powerful energy shield. Most of the people on Earth were not killed. They were trapped inside another dimension by the aliens' technology.
So does that mean everyone on Earth is still alive?
Most of them are. As long as they're still trapped in that dimension, there's still hope of bringing them back. How do you know all of this? And who are you? I'm a NASA scientist. I've been researching this alien phenomenon for a long time. That's how I knew what was happening. Please come with me. I need to show you something important in the research room. This is the alien energy shield surrounding Earth. As long as it's active, no one can free the trapped people.
How can we destroy the alien energy shield?
There's only one way. We must reach the alien mothership and destroy its main reactor. If we succeed, the trapped people will return to Earth.
How can anyone reach the alien mothership?
Is there really any chance of defeating them?
We have one final mission. We must reach the alien mothership and destroy the main reactor. I need all of your help to save humanity.
I'll help save the Earth.
I'm with you, Peter.
Count me in too.
We'll face this together.
Thank you for trusting me. I know you're scared, but we'll face this together. We don't have much time left. Put on your spacesuits, quickly!
I'll be ready in 5 minutes.
Together, we'll save Earth. We fight as one. We never give up.
Professor, we're ready. Let's go.
Start the engine, Peter.
Mom, Dad, do you think we'll make it?
Yes, Emma. As long as we stay together, we'll be okay.
We'll reach the mothership in 3 minutes. The gravity there is much stronger, so be ready.
Remember our mission. We must reach the main reactor before the aliens discover us.
How much farther is the main reactor? This place feels more dangerous than I imagined.
We're getting close. Stay alert and keep moving. Peter, open the door. The main reactor is inside.
The door is open. Let's go.
Humans, you should never have come here. This mothership will become your grave. None of you will leave this place alive. Release the people of Earth. They don't deserve this. End this now, and no one else has to suffer. Never. The humans belong to us now. They will remain trapped forever.
No matter what happens, we will free the people of Earth.
Enough! You insignificant human! You dare just seal your own fate! None of you will leave this mothership alive! Why are you doing this to Earth? Because our world is dying. We will take Earth, no matter who stands in our way!
Professor, take my family and get to the energy core. Shut it down. I'll hold them off. Today, I won't let a single one of them stop us.
Okay, Peter. Hold off the aliens. I'll take your family and shut down the energy core. You're just one human. You think you can stop us? You're about to make the biggest mistake of your life.
Maybe I'm just one human, but that's enough to stop you. Is that all you've got? I'm not giving up. Come on! Take it! Take it! Take it! Take it! It's over. Now it's time to save. All the aliens are gone!
Good job, Peter. Now let's shut this thing down. Excellent. Help me find the shutdown switch. We don't have much time.
Wait, I think that's the energy core shutdown switch.
Emma, that's it! Turn it off! Do it, Emma! Hurry!
They're back! Everyone is back! We did it. Earth is safe again.
We never gave up, and we saved our world. Thank you, Peter. Without your courage, we could never have saved Earth.
We did it together. Mission over. We did what we came here to do. Let's go home. It's time to return to Earth.
You showed incredible courage, Peter. Earth will always remember what you and your family did today.
No one will ever know we saved the Earth.
They don't need to know, Peter. Seeing everyone safe is the greatest reward.
We protected our world, and that's all that matters.
Heroes don't always need to be remembered. What matters is that the Earth is safe.
I'm just glad everyone is home again. Now it's time for us to live in peace.